fantastic. You know that everybody right now. I want to make some video. I create some video right now. Oh, so she's my sister. Oh my God, so beautiful. You can see here. So please play with me. Play with me. Oh my God. You say to hi. Hi hi hi. Say to hi. Hi hi. Say to hi. So what are you doing? What are you doing? So she's playing right now with the help of this stone, and these are many sands and she has one bottle, so a small bottle you can see here. So one minute, give me, please, 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 please. Oh please, please, please give me. Oh please, please give me. Oh please, please give me, give me, give me. So she has one small bottle, you can see everybody, and so she's playing right now with the help of bottles. And so it's a empty bottle, you know that there is no any lid and cap, so you can say they are many stones. Okay, so that's the very good. What are you doing? What are you doing? You are putting some stones into the small jar. Oh my God, you know that everybody is running. Oh my God, why are you running in this time? I want to make some video, but she is running from me. Oh my God, what's happened with her? So, will you play with me or not? Will you play with me? Why are you laughing? Oh my God, also he is my small brother. And he is also, you know that already she is my sister. Wow, so beautiful. She's very happy right now. Wow. So, what were you doing? What were you doing, Babua? You are putting into the small jar. Eh? So you can see this is called my village. It's all about my village. So that's the great of this. Oh my God, she's very happy. And why? Because I'm making some video, creating some videos. So that's why she's very happy, and she's very beautiful girls. Oh my God, what's her name?